Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're diving into MDBox.com. Located at https://www.mdbox.com, this website presents itself as a versatile platform for managing, editing, and sharing Markdown files. From a quick glance, it appears to offer a streamlined interface for working with Markdown, potentially a valuable tool for writers, developers, or anyone who frequently uses the format. While I haven't had extensive hands-on experience with every feature, my initial impression is that it aims to simplify the Markdown workflow. It seems to provide a centralized location to store your Markdown files, allowing for easier access and organization. The ability to edit and share these files directly within the platform is also a key aspect, seemingly removing the need to juggle multiple applications. Further exploration might reveal additional functionalities, such as collaboration features or version control, which would greatly enhance its utility. Overall, MDBox.com has the potential to be a useful resource for anyone working with Markdown, and it's definitely worth a closer look to see if it fits your specific needs. I encourage you to check out the website yourself and explore its features. You might discover a new favorite tool for your Markdown projects. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences with MDBox.com in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. For those looking for a potentially streamlined Markdown experience, this website may be just what you're searching for. It's always exciting to discover new tools that can improve productivity and workflow, and MDBox.com appears to offer just that. Remember, all the relevant links are in the description, so you can easily navigate to the website and explore it yourself. Thanks for watching.